Take a picture of it. Oh, she's got such pretty eyes.
Get the video going, Brandon? Nice.
Second year in a row.
Second year in a row.
2 for 2.
2 for 2.
Fucking new guy.
She get marked.
Are we gonna play Cardigan or what?
I don't know, are we?
I was waiting for it all weekend.
Let's go fuck with Mark.
I knew last night.
Good.
I wasn't the one getting this, so I was optimistic.
You're repeating. She was talking to us, Lee Gray. She said she missed you.
She missed me.
Yeah, she felt bad about cheating.
She's a great girl.